The idea of showbiz personalities crossing over to beauty pageants is nothing new, but is it something that actress Hazel Kinuchi has considered at one point? The former, Pinoy Big Brother, TBB, housemate was asked if she is open to entering the pageant scene in a recent interview with the entertainment website Pep. She admitted that the idea never crossed her mind. Never ko naisip. We'll just leave it to the rest. Ako, dito na lang ako. Never ko talagang nagustuhan mag-pageant, she added, saying that she didn't even join any pageants in school. Kinuchi went on to admit that she doesn't see herself doing what beauty queens do. Parang hindi ko kayang magseryoso or rumampa, ganon. I can't. I don't see myself walking, she said. A former Kapamilya talent, Kinuchi played supporting roles in shows like Good Vibes, Paraiso, and Be Careful with My Heart, among others. She has since made a name as a kontrabida via the GMA soap, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, starring Jillian Ward.